Just finished loading the truck. A bunch of shred. Oh, it's a decent amount of clean steel in there too, but mostly shred. Looks pretty ridiculous. That's a futon frame standing up in the back. Decent amount of stuff. Truck's pretty squished. There's a lot of weight like inside all this stuff. I filled everything up with chunks of steel, bolts, just emptying out the shop. So there's a lot of little pieces in here inside all of this stuff. So heading up to the scrapyard right now. I'll try to get a video, maybe another time lapse of unloading the truck. I want to try to get like a mount for the camera to put it up on here or something, so I can watch as I unload. Alexis, come on. I'll update you in a bit. Come on. Freaking door is frozen shut. Keeps doing that. So I'll update you in a little bit once I get to the scrapyard. Jump in the back. Didn't get a chance to film unloading it, but there's all the stuff right there. A lot of stuff here at the scrapyard today. The brass bed frame right there. I really want to grab it, but I can't because I'm not allowed. A lot of junk here though. Nothing over that. Wow, that was loud. Couldn't hear anything. Yeah, it's a big bin. I'll show you the receipt in a minute, see how much weight was there. It's got to be a decent amount. I would think like maybe around 1,000 pounds. Maybe a bit more, a bit less. See what happens. Pretty close guess. 1,100 pounds. Still 180 a ton. So, and they gave me this stupid seatbelt thing, keeps beeping. They also gave me this calendar, 2019 calendar. So. Sweet. I needed a new calendar for sure anyway, so if this is the last clip in the video, thanks for watching, and as always, hopefully we'll get some more good and exciting scrap pickups soon. Super quiet in the scrapyard today. Haven't even seen one person. Oh, of course, now somebody's coming. Gloves. Second here. So yeah, it's been super quiet today. I haven't seen one person. The only person I saw was this truck that just went by, and he's a machine that moving stuff around. lots of stuff here today. It piled up like crazy. I think that's all empty wire casing. That's one thing to do with your shred. A bunch of these chairs. This thing has been getting so hard to undo. Can never get it undone. So all of these chairs I've had for a while. I don't want to keep them till spring, so I figured I'll just throw them a shred. Got this big safe. Got that big safe right there. It was in a dumpster, but there's no key for it. So I'm just gonna have to shred it. I'll update you in a bit. Forgot to take a video earlier. It's nighttime now, but shred went down $20 a ton. $160 a ton still isn't too bad, but buddy at the scrapyard said he thinks it's gonna go down again next month, beginning of next month, so might just be storing the shred for a little while. Hopefully it goes back up to at least 180. It's not too bad still at 160, so thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll get some cool and exciting scrap videos again soon. See you soon.